Dear viewers, welcome to our TrendzBasket fashion channel. In today's video we are going to present here different types of multi-strand ivory pearl choker design ideas. Ivory pearls have a charm of their own and an unmatchable aura to them which can sometimes outshine even diamonds. Ivory pearl is a lustrous mass formed inside a living shell and is hence considered precious and rare. Ivory pearl jewelry, especially pearl necklace designs, have become my newfound love these days. What with the stunning and completely mesmerizing designs available today from different jewelers. The term pearl necklace designs is incomplete without mentioning this unique floating pearl beauty. This is something you have never seen before. This lovely statement pearl choker is just the right jewelry to get all those heads and compliments turning your way. Traditionally, different ivory pearl necklace types were associated with women of different ages and for different occasions. However, we believe that you should find the strand length you like the most and go with that. This ivory pearl necklace length guide will help you decide. Different types of multi-strand ivory pearl choker designs are given in this video for your collection ideas. Please watch till the end of this video and subscribe our channel for more interesting contents. Thank you. Good day.